Hi, I'm Tom Marks with the Marks Law Firm in Orlando, Florida, and welcome to the Healthy Family Law Attorney. Today, I'm going to focus on the healthy part of the Healthy Family Law Attorney. I'm not going to give a legal topic today. I'm going to talk about how do I maintain a healthy perspective, a healthy body, healthy mind that my clients need me to have so that I'm at my best for them. So that I'm at my best physically, emotionally, psychologically, mentally. So I'm going to talk about a passion that I have, and that is for fruit trees. I happen to have 75 different fruit-bearing trees in my yard. And so what does that do? First, it gets me outdoors. It gets me some fresh air and sunshine, and I enjoy it so much. Number two, it gets me some good exercise. I like to plant the trees. I like to fertilize, mulch, water, prune, whatever it is, good exercise. Number three, it gives me a sense of achievement to see the trees growing, to see them producing. When I come home at night, instead of just getting out of my vehicle and going in the house, I walk around the yard. I look at my trees, I enjoy them, I see what's happening with them. Number four, kind of in line with achievement, it gives me great joy and a sense of results that the trees get bigger every year, they start producing if they weren't before, or they start producing more as they get larger. So it's a super amount of fun for me there. Next, it reduces my stress. Number five. Like I said, I get home in the evening, I get out, I walk around the yard, see what my trees are doing. Are they budding? Are they little fruit starting? Are the fruit maturing? So it's a great sense of accomplishment there. And finally, it teaches me patience because you gotta wait for the trees to grow. You gotta wait for the trees to produce. And you've got to put in a lot of effort to see that happen, but it's worth it. And so I use that in my practice too. My clients want to see results, yes, and I have the energy and the ability to make that happen. But sometimes it takes a little bit of patience to make it happen. So that is helpful to my clients. So let's talk about my favorite type of fruit tree. So I said it's a passion. Yep, I have a passion fruit, I have pomegranate, I have lychee, I have nectarine, I have citrus, I have mango, you name it, 75 different fruit-bearing trees in my yard. But my favorite fruit tree is the avocado. And because of that, I have 25 avocado trees in my yard. Yes, and I ask people, okay, how many different varieties of avocados do you think there are? Most people say two. There's the big green one at this grocery store and the little pebbly one. But in fact, there are actually over 500 different varieties of avocados worldwide. So I only have 17 different varieties. And I don't have all of them producing yet. I only have really two mature trees that are over 10 years old, and that's a Lula and a Hass. A lot of people call it the Haas, but actually it was Rudolf Hass, who was a postman in California, that patented the Hass avocado tree in 1932. It's the number one selling avocado in the world. It's a $50 billion industry. So avocados are fantastic. They're super healthy. Let's say an avocado has over 20 different vitamins and minerals in it. It is heart healthy. A lot of people believe prevents different types of cancers. It has oleic acid in it, the same kind of monounsaturated fat, healthy fat that olives have. And so let's say you put an avocado in a salad, it actually makes the nutrients of the other ingredients in the salad 5 times more available or bioavailable to your body. So the healthy fats help transport the nutrients. It also helps in weight loss because avocados, although they have some carbohydrates, they have so much in the way of fiber. The net carbohydrates are really low, and the healthy fats help fill you up, and so you eat less. So I have lost over 55 pounds in the last 5 or 6 years, and avocados have been part of that. I could talk about my keto journey or paleo journey. Avocados are great on a keto diet, great on a paleo diet, great on a vegetarian diet. Okay, let me give you a couple of nerdy facts about avocados, and I could talk about avocado trees all day long. There are 3 botanical races of avocados. That's where they originated from. 1 is Mexico, 2 is Guatemala, and 3 is the West Indies. So Mexican avocados are the high oil content, smaller, pebbly ones, which most people like. The West Indian avocados are the larger, lower oil content green avocados that you think of like as the Florida avocado. And Guatemalan are somewhat in the middle there, a little more oil content than the West Indian, a little less than the Mexican. I will say this, most people don't like the big green avocados. The reason for that is because in the grocery store, they've got to pick them so far in advance before they're really ripe, and so they're not real flavorful. If you wait until they're fully ripe and they're ready to fall off the tree or for you to pick them, then they're going to have way more flavor. So some of the best avocados I've ever had have been the West Indian. I have a Simmons in my yard and Choquette that both produce great West Indian type avocados. Okay, let's talk about pollinators. Most people think, okay, do I need more than 1 tree so they can pollinate each other? Actually, avocado trees are self-pollinating. They have both A and B variety, male and female types of pollinators in a single tree. However, because there are A pollinator avocado trees and B pollinator, if you have 2 trees, 1A, 1B, then you'll get a better production of avocados. Oh, I should say that avocados are really good for macular health, for your eyes. They have some antioxidants and different flavonoids that are in them that really help with your eye health. So think about that. I always say, the doctor says an apple a day keeps the doctor away, or whatever, that phrase. But I think a better phrase is an avocado a day keeps the doctor away. All right, I love avocados so much. I've done an avocado adoption program where I went out and bought 20 avocado trees, 10 Hass avocados, which are A pollinators, and 10 Brogden avocados, which are B pollinators. And they're adopted out into the community in Central Florida. And then I have had some guac-offs. So guacamole, people come, we have a party, bring guacamole, might have some margaritas in there too, but different ways of making guacamole, and it's total fun and totally healthy. So yes, this is a passion of mine. I know that I call it the Healthy Family Law Attorney because I want to provide hope and help to your family to successfully navigate the family law process in a healthy way, because I believe families matter. So stay healthy, eat some avocados, follow a passion that you really enjoy, reduce the stress in your life, and enjoy life. Hope this helps. I can talk about some other healthy aspects of my lifestyle, how I lost the 55 pounds and so forth. If you like, leave a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and like this video. I'd love to have more people watching the channel and leaving comments below for future videos you'd love to see me talk about. All right, thanks so much. Have a great one. See you next time.